Welcome back to the Daily Blizzard here on Epic TV. My name is Noel Reynolds and I hope you're all full of turkey sandwiches. And we're going to kick it all off with a private pipe for Shaun White. It was built in Australia, all filmed by GoPro. This is what he was throwing down. And the biggest news out of this edit is that Shaun White has just landed a frontside double cork 1440. Check this out. Absent Films will be hooking up again this year with Romain De Marchi, and we were lucky enough to catch up with him when he was around this area to find out how he got injured, plus to see what they have planned for Yes Snowboards.
Yeah, well, while filming for our Yes webisode, I just injured my quad tendon, and yeah, I was out for the whole season. So. Just come back to it right now. I feel good, and yeah, I look forward to go shooting again.
What have you planned for the upcoming season?
So that upcoming season, I'm gonna film with Absent again this year, and we're gonna do some more webisode with Yes as well. And yeah, just stoked to go back out there and film. You know.
Give us some goals. What do you want to do with Yes in the next 5 years?
Well, what we want to do with Yes is just try to promote it in the youth. Like we're gonna try to start to push it really hard for the youth. We really want to bring people on snow and teach them a great story through our board, through Yes, to the Yes movement. So.
And do you find it like it's so important right now to really get that youth back into snowboarding?
Yes, I think we're missing a lot of kids those days that just go straight to skiing or don't really know also the real story of what snowboarding is. And when we started Yes, that was our mission, was to just, you know, to refresh everybody's memory of what it is the snowboard, why do you go snowboarding, and this is our biggest goal for the next 5 years.
So from bringing new kids into snowboarding, we go to Russia to a bunch of crazy side slipping, how low can you go sort of antics. Just check it out. So thank you all for watching. Make sure you check us out on Facebook, it's here. And Twitter, it's here. And make sure you check in with us tomorrow. We're going to have the top 3 of 2013.